Greetings everybody, yeah. Next day, I don't know, I'm starting out today on the chicken farm. What up on my house, you know, so I'll show you how it stay. I'm gonna come down here. Show the market kinda big, you know. The place kinda wet. Whole heap of wet and you know. So now I'm gonna add in the sawdust on top of it. So that we call deep bedding now. You see them still fairly clean. You know, so today now I add in like 2 bags of sawdust. That a whole heap more than what we usually do, so I'm supposed to keep it down. So yeah. So linking up again, add them sawdust to it. Yeah, so I have 2 bags of sawdust. I get them from the local woodwork shop for like $200 per bag. So that's Jamaican, 200 Jamaican per bag. Alright, so you see the place kinda wet. So I just have to take some out. Throw it in. Just throw it in. Nice and spread it. So yeah. So that's the concept. I don't know. So when I finish, talk to you again. Yeah, so I throw 2 bags in here. 2 bags of sawdust. So now we just kind of spread it around neatly. Because some part we just throw a whole heap. So you want some deep, that's why it named deep bedding. You want a lot of wood chips. A lot of sawdust. Spread it around. Because they love this stuff now and they just lie down on it and just enjoy themselves. But now they're feeding, so I'm gonna lock this because they love to run out here. Yeah, spread it around. So they have a nice place to just enjoy themselves around. Look at that. Don't disturb me, you know. Not making no panic, you know. Yeah, that's how it look now. Open the door, get some light. So it look. So it look better now. No wet and nasty deep bedding. So yeah. So I just have to finish up with the chicken. Just give them some water now, give them feed. Put in the sawdust and give them some water. And then we'll check on the thing them on the farm. So see you guys soon. Yeah everybody. We're just done with the chicken farm. So we'll touch down, go down on the veggie farm, you know. Yes I. So I don't know. Driving on my little Corolla, you see it? Oh. Yeah man. For who don't know a police shape Corolla this, you know? So yeah. I play a song there. So I go up on the road, boom. So make me say little of the road. I'm have to drive, go to the farm. Yeah, people on the road, farmers are doing them thing. Don't know. You have a quarry over this side. Yeah man. A farm over here. A car coming, so I have to be careful. Yeah, man. Small little roads, but beautiful. I don't know. Yeah, so I have to drive go to the next spot because when I live now, I'm a grand aunt old house. My grand aunt died. And where I'm going on the farm is my grandfather. So that's my father's sister's house I'm living at. So my grandfather's sister house I'm living at now. So I'm going down to my grandfather's land. My grandfather is dead. I don't know, beautiful scenery. Nice place, you know. Nice little place, man. Roads and so, you know. Yeah. So I might go drive this, go down on the farm. It's about a little 8-minute drive from where I live. You know? Yeah. Nice little community too. You have a church over here. You know, people live about the place. Them do them little house farming. Everybody have banana, you know. Banana one of the major thing people always plant. Yeah, man. Don't know, nice little community. Yeah, man. You have a little tire shop up here, so. Yeah, man. Jamaica sweet, man. Because I moved from the city, you know. Me used to live in the city, you know. And me decide, say, me a move from the city when me never have to pay rent, live in our apartment, and say, no, me a come to the country, come live. Because of my decision, my life. So I could have there in the city, have big job, big money, big car. I'll go car wash over here, so. People house, look how the place nice. Look at that beautiful place. Yeah, man. But me want to come see them beautiful place every day. And this me see every day. And no traffic me there every day. Look how the road free. You see me? Me not there no traffic or stoplight. And this me I experience every day. And I me choose to live like this. Because man used to there in a city. Me used to there in the traffic. Me used to have to deal with the stoplight. But no, not one stoplight around here, so. Stoplight not there near us or none at all. You see me? Look how the place beautiful. Look how the place beautiful. You see me? Welcome to Endeavour. Endeavour I live, you see it? Yeah. Could the place beautiful. I could have make all the money I want in the city. Right now at this me want experience, you see me? I know traffic and stoplight. That make your day depressed, man, you see me? Yeah. So I have to watch the road because the road them small, you know. I want church there up here, so I don't know if you can see it. You don't know me I drive on a vlog. You don't know. I threw the camera easier for you still. Look how the place nice. Quite nice. Look there, look there. Beautiful housing. Man set up in car. It's nice house with good paint. How you mean, man? People them live on the hillside and make it work. Yeah? So at them place my grand people them come from. And I hear some me I come back to. Come claim my land. You see me? Come plant up my land. Because my grandfather say him left this in children's children. Him not sell none of it. I'm children's children are going to enjoy this. And I mean that. The grandchildren, yes I. So yeah. Reach up at the place, you know. Don't know. I basically hear something there. Right on the corner, so I have to blow. Select first, yeah man. And take time go in, you see it? Ah, yeah man. So see it, yeah. Car scrape little. But yeah man, so up here saw the top house where Dino live. So I park up here, so. And then walk go down on the farm. So I'm gonna take out my thing them, get ready, and then link on again. Whether upon the journey or down on the farm. When the vibes take me, you see it. So Dino come out. Look like him go open the gate for me. Yeah man. Man, we give thanks to Dino, man, my cousin that. Yeah, so him one living at the house, the man, cause him are the caretaker right now, cause his grandmother dead, and so him run things and all, you see it. So yeah, I'm gonna pull in and then link on up again. Blessings. Yeah everybody, we're up at Dino place I wait, you know, so but while I'm there I wait, I see something man, I just want to share with you know. Just look on the blessings and fruitfulness in the place. Banana just grow. On that man, on the biscuit zone or up and down it. Man, so you don't know, plant up banana and you're gonna have bananas for years to come. Because the banana, once you plant it one time, it just shoot up again. Because you see the sucker them just shoot up underneath. So banana is a good investment for those plant and you're gonna have it for years to come. Just want to share that with you know. Yeah man, so look like Dean already, so I'm gonna just meet him around here so. Yeah everybody, guess what? I just picked some apple from the apple tree. Look there. Big apple. Big apple. You see me? Good apple. So it just a come in a season man, if this ready, this kind of greenish. I'll pick it same way. Be apple in on, can make some juice later, you see it? So yeah, we're up on the journey, I go down on the farm. And just showing you say I'm pick little apple on the way. So soon link up again. Yeah. Me and Dina reach up on the hilltop before we go right down on the farm. So this is my scenery when me are walking on the farm. Look on this when me are coming upon. Got you me know the value of them things. Look on this. I know enough people that left from foreign just to come have a glimpse of what go on here. So this is my view when me are walking. Enough things to give thanks for man. Look there man. What a magnificent view there. You don't know down there so in the valley, there's the farm there. So yeah. Enough people love city. Me not like city. This me like farm life. Movements on the hillside. Some man exercise you know. But me there in the city. The most me do I walk go to the car and then walk. Go where me I go. I know much walking. Walk from the house to the car and then gone where me I go. Me don't walk when me there in the city. But when me there in the farm, see me there walk, you know, man. Can get little exercise, move up the limbs, bust a sweat, get the heart pumping. Yeah, so we give thanks. Enough people have to drive, go to a place where they can go climb a hill. Me, while me I go to the farm, me have to deal with them things, you see it? So my phone a ring, so link up with her again soon. Upon the view I go down. Yeah, we reach down upon the farm now. So you don't know, as me reach, I'm gonna do a quick inspection of everything and see the progress and see what I go on, you know. So I could see the cane what we plant over there. Them look dry, man. Sun a beat upon them, but just give them a little water same way, then we spring up, man, know yourself. Then we spring up. Sun a beat though, man, in a little December winter. So, that are the cane. You can see them, what you call it, wild cabbage, you know. See how the center stand up nice. That means a life in it, man, so them catch good. Still green and nice too. Cause them green and nice. Aloe vera, you don't know it grows slow, but it catch nice, you know. A cactus plant, so that easy for catch. And yeah, we check on them tomato, yeah. Looking good, cause look one here spring up. So, man, you can see the ashes are do them well. Potassium. Man, beautiful, beautiful. Let's check on the ones that is directly in the sunlight all day. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Them are going good, man. Them are going good. Oh, look at these beautiful ones up here. Oh, whoosh. Alright. Do a quick check on the strawberry. You don't know daily vlog. You know I see the progress with me every day. Daily check. To the strawberry, them are going nice and luscious. Them love the water every day. Green, the potassium, you can see say do them justice. Come check the flowering right here. This one flowering a bit. This one flowering nicely. You see that? So strawberry is doing fine. So make a quick check on the seed bed. I don't know, I check on the thing them before I start add water or anything, you know. So I could just quickly check on the seed bed. So checking where we planted the peanuts, no peanuts shooting. Checking where we planted the herbs, the weed, the marijuana. Don't see anything shooting. Hope the insects didn't get it. But alright, checking on these. That was the watermelons that we sprayed the neem with the detergent on. And they look pest free. Look like it work. So it's just for them to recover now and continue their growth. Or will they recover? The parsley is doing wonderfully, beautifully. Lettuce, I don't know, beautiful, beautiful. I don't know. This is the pak choi. I have the cabbage. These are the cucumber now, but the insects are on it. Insects are on the cucumber. Oh my. Look like we need a better solution. My wife actually made that concoction, you know, so I need to make one for myself because insects are on the cucumber now. so well, so I stay with farming people. And so we live and learn and get wiser, make better decisions next time. So alright, that's an update upon the thing them. So Dino start water the strawberry way out there, so I'm gonna help him right now and water them tomato and thing them. So yeah, that's the update on the farm right now. My belch look at tea my wife give me. So yeah, when we done water the thing, them link up if anything. Everybody we done water everything you know. So you don't know. We're gonna head up back soon. Show you a little bit. So you don't know. Wild cabbage get water. Aloe vera the tomatoes, seed bed, strawberry, and the cane them over here so now. Cane them look well dry still. Hopefully they can catch. Cause look like the sun a beat on them hard. Should have planted them in a cool shade or something. But see how that turn out. I don't know chocho. This is a pear tree but chocho grew up on it as well. So see two chocho here, I'm just showing how chocho look. This is chocho. Nice, you know, like stewed chicken and some veggie thing and you know. Chocho man, nice. So yeah man. Look like we just have to just close it up for that episode, yeah. I'm showing you the journey, driving, coming down, showing you the progress on the land. Yeah. So I hit that for the episode, yeah, man. So blessings. Respect for watching. And stay tuned for what's to come. You don't know. The whole of we are just experience it same time as it happened. You don't know, and who want to experience Jamaica? See it, yeah? Only for Jamaica there, someone. Only for Jamaica for you enjoy. So, yeah, man, and soon enough, we'll have some cabins where people can just come down and book them like a Airbnb thing, and them can enjoy like a farm life. Just chill out. A nice hillside, not a mountain. The nice mountainside and hillside, you know. And just nature. Can read a couple books, get closer to God, reading the Bible, farm life, get little exercise, walk up and down the hill. Nice little vibe still. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Blessings, one perfect love.